Hey, if you're still here after I made that quesadilla video, thanks for sticking around. If you're just here to check out what's going on, I appreciate you too. So you just finished cooking on your Blackstone, you have no idea what to do. It's your first time. Finished a meal, it's all dirty like this, and you need to figure out what it's going to take to clean it off. We're not going to wash it. We never wash a Blackstone in between uses. What we're going to do is we're going to get some supplies. We have a bottle of water, I have a bottle of oil, some paper towel, and a pair of tongs. You're also going to take your scrapers as well. And what you're going to do first is you're going to go ahead and you're going to spray this down while it's ripping hot. Keep the heat up high everywhere and just spray it. Spray it anywhere there's food stuck to it. That steam will get hot. That's why I use a spray bottle. This water will help lift everything. If it's really hot, get a glove. Don't be afraid to use the glove. Just start scraping. Add more water as needed. Scrape all the food bits to the back. If you're not using a Blackstone, scrape it to wherever your drain hole is. Scrape it right out the back. Well, that's basically it for cleaning. Just make sure you get all the big bits. That came out pretty good. I'm happy with that. Now what we're going to do is just like when you season your Blackstone, you're going to take a wad of paper towel. You're going to take your oil. You're going to oil it. You can go relatively heavy, but don't be crazy. Like maybe 3-4 tablespoons at most. And then swipe it down. This is basically like a mini seasoning in between uses. That's going to help keep the surface from sticking. Get up your sides. That way if anything spills, the sides are still safe from being stuck. Let that burn at high heat for a little bit. And you're done. Just a single coat. If you want to do a second coat, you can, but you really don't have to. A single coat will absolutely do it. Let this burn for about 2 to 3 minutes, and then you can shut it off and pack it up. You're done. Thanks for watching. I hope you learned something there. Have a good day.